Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add contacts to favorites in Google Messages. So first you just need to update the app, that one from the Play Store or App Store. It depends on which phone you have, and then let's get right in. So here let's consider that this is the contact that I want to add to favorites or as a favorite contacts in Google Messages. So let's go through the conversation, then tap on these 3 points and go to the details. And once you are here, you just you have this you have these 3 points right here. So here you will see two options: notifications and either block and report spam. So what I want you to go through is this 3 points and tap on edit contact. So once you got here, you just need to it doesn't matter all the stuffs. What I want you to do is to go and look for the top right side. Here you have 3 options. So here in the middle, by tapping on this star, you will turn him into a favorite contact on Google Messages. So it's so simple and so easy. Either you can hold it, hold the tap on it here, and then you can block or remove, or you can archive, etc. This is another tools as a bonus. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and see you next video.